has all my recent tinkering been a success?
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam. That's a jam.
Hello guys, welcome back to Car Obsession and welcome to more Trackday shenanigans. I thought I had filmed an intro to this, but obviously I didn't. Anyway, you join me and Monique, my turbocharged Mazda MX-5, back at Snetterton once more to see if the recent upgrades I've done have improved the engine cooling and the braking performance. On my first session, my forward-facing GoPro decided to corrupt the footage, so I only had this camera angle. Seeing as there isn't a great deal to see, I've sped up one of my laps from that session, and you'll see the feedback from that session in 3, 2, 1.
Apologies, I haven't got my clip and microphone on, but my word, what a session that was. I actually overtook more cars than I thought I would. Me and Monique doing pretty well. Yeah, so feedback. The brakes feel absolutely terrific. The brakes have never felt this good in Monique, so although the big brake kit was a faff to fit, has it been worth it? Yes, it has. The PBS Pro Race pads, the bite is very, very assuring. I didn't suffer much in the way of fade. If anything, I think if I had stickier tyres and the track was a bit warmer, I think I could have leaned on the brakes a bit more. But this hasn't got ABS, and although the Pilot Sport 3s in this are very good, they're not a track tyre as such.
So this is my last full speed lap of what I believe was my third session. Thankfully, as you can see, the conditions had improved, meaning the circuit was allowing for higher speeds. Now you won't be able to see it, but behind me is a Mark 2.5 Mazda MX-5, which I later found out is supercharged. We had quite good play, it was quite good fun actually. Here comes that Mark 2.5 whining its heart out.
Oh man, absolutely exhilarating. That was awesome. I don't think I've ever concentrated so much on track. I didn't say a word. Oh, hello. That black MX-5, that Mark II I just went by. He was a pretty good adversary. Me and him had a little battle. That was quite fun. I enjoyed that. Good pace. Good pace. Monique is still, touch wood, feeling absolutely brilliant. I don't know why I keep saying absolutely. Weird habit I've picked up today. But she is feeling good. The brakes feel brilliant. Engine temps are stable. Power's good. Sun's out. Roof down. I genuinely don't think I could be much happier at this moment in time.
For this session I was feeling a little bit curious and a bit brave, so I decided to wind up the rear brake bias to the maximum.
So seeing as we've got a red flag, that'll be why. Then we talk about the difference in brake and feel now that I put the all the bias to the rear. As you can imagine, you can feel the difference. With hard braking, the back feels a little bit unsettled, and as you can see, going through, oh, I had a brain fart, can't think of which corner it is. Hamilton, maybe. You saw I wanted to experiment with a bit of trail braking, and you can see the back stepped out more than it did previously. So I actually prefer the bias how it was, so kind of halfway really. Kind of Goldilocks setting. That's normally a good way to do it, isn't it? So I'm going to put it back to what it was. So I quite like that. It was yeah, it was quite a nice neutral balanced setup. Oh, here we go, here comes the pocket rockets.
Time for my last session. It had been a great day, and having timed my laps retrospectively using the footage and a stopwatch and trying to do the best I can, from what I've worked out, this looks to be my quickest lap, so enjoy.
Started to rotate and I just eased off a bit. This has been awesome. That will do us. And I'm spent. Oh man. Absolutely awesome. That was incredible. Monique, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, what an experience. Oh, I'm so happy right now, which you can probably see. Yeah, excellent day. Nothing broke, which is always a bonus. Monique has been sensational. The new wheeled brakes with the PBS Pro Race pads, mwah! Magnificent, so good. And the Michelin's held on really well, much to my surprise. I thought as I would push more they would kind of give up a bit, but you know what, credit where credit's due for a road going tyre. The Pilot Sport 3s have done me very well today, so a little clap for Michelin. Now Goodyear, if you're watching, I still love you guys, but you don't make the Goodyear Eagle F1 Supersport in a size as small as this, so yeah, I will need to give a little bit of a kudos to Michelin, but Goodyear is also very good. Moving forward next year, I definitely think I'll look to get some Nankang NS2Rs. Yeah, I think that would have made a difference today. The brakes, they've been brilliant. If anything, I think I could have leaned on the brakes a bit more. I was just scared to lock the brakes up. I think once I've got the NS2Rs fitted, yeah, I think that'll definitely make a difference. So, I mean, to summarise, has all my recent tinkering been a success? Well, the answer is a big fat yes. The changes and modifications I've done lately, they've made a world of difference, and yeah, I've got a bit more confidence in Monique on track. After the last few track days, I was starting to feel a little bit nervy with her, but those last two sessions, well, this session and the one before that, which wasn't filmed, yeah, pretty good progress. I do hope you have enjoyed this video, or perhaps found it useful. To be honest, I don't think you would have enjoyed watching it as much as I did making it, but I'd say if you've come close to it, then I'm sure you're sat there with a big smile on your face, as am I. But yes, if you have enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you are subscribed, don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. But until the next time, guys, be sure to keep up the car obsession. Oh, on a side note, Monique has hit quite a significant anniversary today. Look, she's now done over 160,000 kilometers, which now means she's done over 100,000 miles. That's it, time to scrap her. She's no good anymore. No, I'm joking, of course, but yeah, just thought I'd share that little milestone.